In the realm of space exploration, where the likes of the US and Russia have long been the big shots with their high-tech rockets and sending super cool satellites and probes into space, China has been quietly stepping up its game. And guess what? This runner-up has just unleashed something incredibly advanced into the cosmos, and it's got the potential to go head-to-head with the mind-boggling James Webb Space Telescope. So, stay tuned as we delve into what exactly China has launched and why it's about to send shockwaves through the entire space industry. Back in the past, the United States and the Soviet Union were like two rival superheroes, competing in lots of different areas like politics, the economy, the military, and even things like movies and music. But the most thrilling and jaw-dropping competition was happening up in space. Space was like a gigantic stage where they could show off who was the smartest and the strongest. The Soviet Union started things off by launching the very first fake moon called Sputnik into the sky, and it zoomed around our Earth. Then the United States said, "Hey, watch this," and sent a brave astronaut named Neil Armstrong all the way to the real moon to take a walk on its surface. But as time went on, the rivalry kind of calmed down. The Soviet Union had some problems and disappeared, leaving the United States as the undisputed space champion. They had this super cool club called NASA, where they spent a whopping $32 billion every year to do incredible things in space. No other country could match their awesomeness. Now there's a new player in town that's been sneaking up on the United States, China. Yep, they've been working really hard to get better at space stuff. They've been doing secret experiments and surprising things up there that not many people knew about. And guess what? All that hard work is starting to pay off. Remember that super-duper telescope called the James Webb Telescope that NASA made? It's like the smartest spyglass ever, and it's way fancier than the older Hubble telescope. This thing can see things even through clouds and space rocks like asteroids. NASA spent a whopping $10 billion and more than 20 years making it, and it recently zoomed into space in December. Its job is to look back in time and see what happened right after the Big Bang. But here's the exciting part. China has been secretly building its own space gadgets, and they're getting really good at it. They're using super high-tech stuff that used to only fit in huge telescopes, but now they're squeezing it into tiny satellites. Imagine more than 100 tiny space robots armed with mini telescopes that can see really energetic and quick events in space. These are like superhero microscopes for the universe, letting scientists look at wild and explosive space happenings up close. This innovative approach completely flips the script on traditional telescope building wisdom. While the usual train of thought led to constructing larger and larger telescopes to peer into the cosmos, China's stepping up with a bold new notion. Smaller can indeed be mightier. This ingenious perspective doesn't just boil down to technological innovation. It embodies the dynamic spirit of diversity and creativity alive within the scientific community. Zooming in on this revolutionary concept, let's take a closer look at the heart of the matter. The James Webb Telescope, a crown jewel in NASA's achievements, stands as a testament to precision engineering and sizable scale. Its colossal structure enables it to venture deeper into the cosmos and further back in time. On the flip side of the cosmic coin, China unveils its star player, the captivating Catch satellite constellation, where Catch stands for Chasing All Transient Constellation Hunters. Picture an ensemble of more than 100 compact satellites working together harmoniously, akin to a cosmic symphony. Each satellite dons the role of a cosmic scout, equipped with a lightweight X-ray telescope designed to detect and observe swift and energetic celestial phenomena like gamma-ray bursts and exploding stars known as supernovae. What sets Catch apart as an astronomical trailblazer is its collaborative ethos, akin to a team of detectives pooling their insights. These satellites aren't just independent observers, they're part of an interconnected network that shares data and collectively scans the universe for fleeting yet impactful cosmic occurrences. This collaborative synergy leads to a treasure trove of scientific insights that were once tantalizingly out of reach. But that's not all. Catch brings adaptability to the cosmic table. These satellites possess the ability to alter their focus on the fly. Imagine a celestial event capturing their attention. They can synchronize their gazes to get a front-row view. It's akin to a group of friends adjusting their seats for the best view at a movie theater. The result? A synchronized dance of telescopic perspectives, pooling their strengths for an even clearer cosmic vision. At the forefront of this pioneering endeavor stands Tao Lian, a visionary mind who spearheads the development of the groundbreaking technologies propelling CATCH's mission. The current phase of the project is well underway, with the ambition of having the entire constellation operational by 2030. As for the numbers, each of these ingenious microsatellites is estimated to cost approximately $1.6 million. However, there's optimism that these costs will decrease over time, thanks to the availability of more affordable satellite and launch services offered by private companies. Yin Qianqing, a key figure in this scientific journey, sheds light on the satellite's remarkable autonomy. These smart microsatellites perform intricate tasks while orbiting Earth, identifying and tracking intriguing celestial targets while cross-referencing their findings with a comprehensive astronomical database. And where does this cosmic ballet unfold? The stage is set in Kunming, a vibrant city nestled in the heart of Yunnan, China. So, while NASA erects monumental telescopes, China underscores that sometimes thinking on a smaller scale can yield monumental breakthroughs. Under the star-studded canopy of innovation, night vision technology, a global optics supplier, is crafting a marvel that draws inspiration from the intricate eye structure of lobsters. Picture miniature mirrors, each meticulously designed to mimic the lobster's eye, capturing light from multiple angles. This ingenious concept paves the way for observing a spectrum of celestial occurrences, from the dazzling spectacle of supernova explosions to the enigmatic birth of black holes within the X-ray realm of the cosmos. These mirrors even detect the presence of black holes by sensing the emission of intensely hot gases, with temperatures soaring into the millions of degrees Celsius. In the captivating dance of astronomical observations, the amount of light gathered stands as a vital conductor of discovery. The principle is simple: more light equals more information. Larger mirrors, like cosmic sponges, sweep up greater amounts of light particles, enriching the quality and quantity of data obtained. But building these behemoth mirrors comes with a hefty price tag, both in terms of time and resources. Crafting primary mirrors for sizable telescopes is a painstaking process, sometimes stretching across several years. And when it comes to assembling these colossal observatories in the depths of space, the task consumes at least 3 months, not to mention the substantial financial investment. While small satellites have historically found their niche in Earth observation and educational realms due to their size and cost-effectiveness, their potential to contribute to deep space exploration is beginning to shine through. These tiny titans have already scored significant discoveries in the cosmic arena, challenging preconceptions about what's achievable with less. China's bold foray into microsatellite technology could serve as a beacon of low-cost ingenuity on the global stage, with the potential to shape the landscape of deep space exploration in profound ways. Meanwhile, on a separate celestial battleground, a seismic shift is underway. In a race that saw Chinese startup Landspace Technology Corp vying against Elon Musk's SpaceX, a milestone was achieved. The triumphant launch of a methane-fueled rocket named Zhuke-2, ZQ-2, from the Geotrans Satellite Launch Center in Gansu Province reverberated across the space exploration landscape. This success marked a decisive step in China's ambitious pursuit to challenge the United States as a dominant force in the cosmic quest. While setbacks were encountered on the path to victory, corrective actions and rigorous ground tests paved the way for redemption. Following a previous stumble in December, where an anomaly in the supplementary second stage engine foiled the mission, the landscape of technology emerged resilient and resolute. A revitalized version of the rocket was poised for liftoff in May, with final preparations unfurling on July 6th. The allure of methane as a rocket fuel is sparking interest not only from industry giants like SpaceX, but also from a cohort of other players drawn by its potential as a cleaner and safer alternative to conventional propellants. Enter Landspace, a Beijing-based contender that has taken the cosmic stage by storm with the triumphant launch of the methane-fueled rocket ZQ-2. This remarkable feat not only earns them a front-row seat in the celestial theater, but harmonizes seamlessly with President Xi Jinping's strategic vision to establish China as a formidable contender in the ongoing space race, setting the scene for an exhilarating cosmic rivalry with the United States. Guiding us through the cosmic narrative, Maxime Poutot, a distinguished observer of the space industry from Euroconsult, a Paris-based consultancy, lends his insights. Poutot characterizes Landspace's achievement as a transformative milestone, a defining moment that resonates not only within the walls of the startup, but resonates throughout the global space exploration community. This triumphant launch is not just a rocket piercing the sky. It symbolizes China's ascendant dominion and burgeoning prowess in the ever-evolving domain of space exploration. While the spotlight shines brightly on this groundbreaking accomplishment, it also ushers in a wider shift in the trajectory of space travel and exploration. The development and adoption of methane-fueled rockets carry a bouquet of potential benefits that extend far beyond our planet's confines. From an ecological perspective, methane as a propellant holds the promise of reduced emissions compared to its traditional counterparts, aligning seamlessly with a more sustainable approach to venturing beyond our world. Furthermore, its innate safety features present an attractive proposition, mitigating risks and bolstering the safety framework of space missions. So, what do you think about China's rapid rise in space exploration? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.